carefully arranged plant beds with vibrant greenery, showcasing a mix of textures and colors like deep greens and earthy browns.
Modern, minimalist outdoor living space featuring a contemporary house with stone accents and large glass windows, a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, designed with a tranquil garden emphasizing geometric shapes, rich textures, and vibrant greenery. The setting is bathed in soft golden hour light, enhancing the warm wood tones and cool hues of stone. Includes a tranquil water feature. A stone pathway leading to a lounge area with stylish black chairs, lush grass with pops of colorful flowers, and carefully arranged plantings creating visual interest. Overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic with a serene, inviting atmosphere, emphasizing harmony between architecture and nature. A modern architectural scene featuring a luxurious villa with a sleek design, captured in hyper-realistic style. The setting includes a wooden deck surrounding a sparkling blue swimming pool, surrounded by lush tropical plants. The villa has large glass windows and a two-story structure, showcasing an open living space decorated with minimalistic furniture. The exterior combines textured gray walls with warm wooden accents. The scene is illuminated by natural sunlight filtering through the foliage, creating a tranquil ambience. The color palette includes rich earth tones and vibrant greens, highlighting the harmony between modern living and nature. A serene, modern home set against a lush, verdant backdrop, showcasing a blend of architecture and nature. The scene features a striking outdoor staircase made of natural stone, accentuated with sleek wooden steps, illuminated by warm orange lighting that enhances the inviting atmosphere. The steps are surrounded by abundant greenery, including various plants and shrubs, seamlessly integrated into the landscape. The house itself boasts large glass windows, allowing glimpses of a cozy, contemporary interior with soft, ambient lighting. The overall aesthetic leans toward hyper-realistic, capturing intricate details in the textures of the stone, wood, and foliage. A modern outdoor dining space seamlessly blending with nature, showcasing a sleek architectural structure featuring a flat roof and extensive glass walls. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, with emphasis on the play of warm and cool tones. Rich wooden beams adorn the ceiling, contrasted by dark stone walls. The patio is surrounded by lush greenery and meticulously arranged landscaping, including a tranquil water feature with a gentle waterfall flowing into a small pond. Pathways of irregular stone slabs lead through gravel, guiding the eye toward a cozy dining area equipped with contemporary furniture. Modern outdoor living space featuring a sleek, contemporary design with a spacious terrace, a combination of brick and stone materials, complemented by warm wooden ceilings, a tranquil water feature with a small waterfall and ambient lighting, lush greenery surrounding the area, including carefully placed plants and shrubs, pathways made of large stone slabs leading through a pebbled garden, soft, warm lighting creating an inviting atmosphere during early evening, aesthetic style leaning towards hyperrealism with vivid colors and detailed textures, highlighting the interplay of natural and architectural elements. A contemporary two-story house nestled in a lush forest setting, designed with a mix of modern and natural aesthetics. The exterior features dark,
sleek materials contrasted by warm wooden accents. The house is surrounded by vibrant greenery, with potted plants adorning the patio and lush grass underfoot. Soft, ambient lighting illuminates the outdoor steps leading across a bed of white gravel. Roman lanterns strategically placed among the plants illuminate the scene softly. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, with a palette of warm golds, deep greens, and soft grays, creating a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere. A tranquil Japanese garden scene, featuring a modern architectural home seamlessly integrated with nature. The setting includes a gently flowing stream adorned with vibrant koi fish, their colors contrasting beautifully against the clear water. Lush greenery surrounds the stream, with carefully manicured plants and stones lining the banks. The backdrop is filled with trees showcasing autumn foliage in hues of gold, orange, and green, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The overall aesthetic combines elements of hyperrealism, emphasizing the intricate details of both the architecture and the natural surroundings. Serene Japanese garden with a modern touch, featuring a tranquil pond surrounded by smooth pebbles and stepping stones. A gentle waterfall cascades over natural rocks, creating a calming sound. The setting includes lush green plants, carefully arranged boulders, and a backdrop of bamboo fencing, enhancing the sense of privacy. The modern structure boasts large glass windows that reflect the greenery and allow natural light to flood in. A wooden deck leads to the garden, providing a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Serene modern garden scene with a minimalist architectural home, featuring large glass panels that reflect the soft golden light of dusk. The garden design incorporates smooth gravel paths, strategically placed rocks, and lush greenery, including small trees and bushes. A wooden deck extends from the home, blending seamlessly with the natural landscape. The color palette includes warm amber tones from the interior lights, contrasting with cool greens of the plants and soft gray of the gravel. A serene modern garden scene showcasing a well-designed Japanese-inspired backyard. The image features a harmonious blend of natural elements and contemporary architecture, emphasizing tranquility and balance. The foreground includes a smooth, round black stone fountain, gently rippling water flowing from it, surrounded by dark pebbles. A pathway made of irregular stone slabs intersects the lush green grass and meticulously arranged smaller rocks, leading toward a wall of large glass windows reflecting warm ambient light from inside the structure. A modern, seamless glass and wood house nestled in a vibrant, lush forest. The structure features a sleek, flat roof, large glass panels that reflect the surrounding green door spaces, enhancing a cozy atmosphere. The scene captures a spacious wooden deck with inviting seating arrangements, including comfortable gray armchairs and a coffee table, perfect for relaxation. Pathways made of large, flat stones lead through the garden, surrounded by dense foliage and exotic plants. A serene modern courtyard featuring a smooth black pebble pathway alongside a tranquil water stream. The scene is illuminated by soft, warm lighting, creating a calming atmosphere. Lush green plants, including ferns and ornamental grasses, line the edges, contrasting beautifully with the dark stones. The background showcases a contemporary architectural design with large glass windows that reflect the surrounding foliage. A cozy seating area with stylish outdoor furniture invites relaxation, enhanced by flickering candles placed strategically for ambience. A serene outdoor scene featuring a luxurious hot tub surrounded by lush greenery, in a contemporary setting that blends modern architecture with nature. The hot tub, metallic and sleek, is bubbling gently, contrasting with the smooth pebbles and wooden decking that frame it. Sunlight filters through tall trees in the background, casting dappled shadows on the ground. The color palette includes soft earth tones, vibrant greens from the plants, and warm wood hues. Nearby, there are stylish outdoor lounge chairs and a small coffee table, inviting relaxation. A serene outdoor lounge area under a wooden pergola adorned with soft glowing string lights. The setting is lush and vibrant, featuring verdant greenery that envelopes the space, with various potted plants adding depth. The flooring is a mix of polished wooden decking and stepping stones leading through a neatly trimmed lawn, creating a harmonious blend of nature and design. The furniture consists of comfortable gray couches with colorful accent pillows, a textured circular poof, and a small black coffee table at the center. The color palette consists of earthy browns, soothing greens, and hints of warm light from the string lights. A serene outdoor living space featuring a modern, two-story home with a mixture of dark wood and stone accents. The scene is set during the golden hour, casting warm, soft light across the patio area. In the foreground, 6 rustic wooden Adirondack chairs are arranged around a circular fire pit built with smooth stones, emanating a cozy glow. The patio is laid with irregular flagstones interspersed with pebbles and lush green grass, creating a natural feel. Tall trees surround the space, their leaves in varying shades of green, adding to the tranquil ambience. Serene Japanese Zen garden at sunrise, featuring meticulously arranged stones and sand, creating gentle flowing patterns. Lush greenery with vibrant shades of green from various shrubs and trees, including a prominent, sculpted pine tree that adds a focal point. Warm golden sunlight filtering through the leaves creates a soft, inviting atmosphere, casting gentle shadows on the textured surfaces of the rocks and sand. A serene, modern architectural scene featuring a minimalist courtyard surrounded by lush greenery. The setting showcases a blend of glass and wooden structures with large windows, allowing natural light to flood the interiors. The foreground highlights smooth white gravel arranged in elegant, curved patterns, interspersed with meticulously placed rocks and patches of vibrant greenery. Towering trees with rich green leaves create a tranquil atmosphere, while wooden overhangs provide shade and warmth to the space. The sky above is bright and clear, casting soft shadows on the ground, enhancing the overall peaceful, zen-like aesthetic. A serene, contemporary garden oasis featuring a tranquil pond with a series of large, flat stepping stones leading across the water. The scene embodies a hyper-realistic aesthetic, emphasizing lush greenery and intricate details. Surrounding the pond, vibrant foliage showcases a variety of plants, with soft, warm lighting illuminating areas among the leaves, creating a calming atmosphere. Textures of the smooth stone stepping stones contrast with the glossy surface of the water and the rich, dark tones of the surrounding landscape. To one side, A large, angular dark sculpture adds a striking focal point against the organic elements. A serene modern garden with a minimalist White House featuring large glass windows, seamlessly integrating with nature. The garden showcases perfectly manicured greenery, including lush bushes and small trees with vibrant autumn-colored leaves. The scene captures a reflective pond that mirrors the architectural lines of the house and surrounding landscape. Soft morning light illuminates the scene, casting delicate shadows and enhancing the vivid greens and earthy tones. A serene, modern architectural scene set in an intimate, natural landscape, featuring a contemporary house with large glass walls that reflect soft, ambient lighting. The house is surrounded by lush greenery and strategically placed boulders, creating a harmonious blend of nature and design. A tranquil water feature flows gently through the garden, with smooth stepping stones leading across the water, illuminated by warm, inviting light. The colors are rich and earthy, with deep greens, warm browns, and hints of gold, creating a tranquil and inviting atmosphere. A serene Japanese garden at sunset, featuring a modern architecture house with large glass windows, reflecting the soft golden light. The scene captures carefully arranged elements. A large, textured granite rock stands prominently near the foreground, surrounded by lush greenery, including vibrant maple trees. A gentle stream flows through the garden, with smooth stone